In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use IKEA Room Planner. We'll walk through the essential steps so you can confidently map out a space and start visualizing your furniture layout with clarity. Begin by opening the IKEA website in your browser. Make sure you're on the correct country site so product availability and measurements match your location. Once you're there, look for the Design and Ideas section in the main navigation. This is where IKEA gathers its planning tools and inspiration, and it's the doorway to the Room Planner. Inside Design and Ideas, select IKEA Creative Home Design. This is IKEA's suite for planning and visualizing spaces. From here, choose Build a Room to plan your layout. That launches the Room Builder, where you'll set the foundation for your design. Next, pick a sample shape. Choose the one that most closely resembles your room: square, rectangular, or a more unique outline. Think about your real-world measurements as you choose. If the tool allows, adjust wall length so the digital room matches your actual space. It's helpful to have a quick tape measure handy so you're working with accurate dimensions right from the start. Add doors and windows to make the layout realistic. Place each opening on the correct wall and consider the swing of doors so you keep pathways clear. Windows affect where you'll want to put seating, desks, or media units, so drop them in thoughtfully. This is also a good time to leave a little buffer around openings to ensure furniture won't block them. When your basic shell looks right, select Next to move forward. Then choose Design this room. This takes you into the creative part where you bring the space to life. Now you can design your room. Browse IKEA's product options within the tool and drag items into the layout to test how they fit. Try different sofa sizes, switch armchair positions, or rotate tables to see how traffic will flow. Balance function and comfort. Keep walkways open. Let doors swing freely, and place taller storage where it won't crowd windows. If the tool offers a 2D and 3D view, switch between them to double-check proportions and sightlines. Use measurements as you place items so you don't end up with a tight squeeze around corners or a dining chair that bumps a wall. Small tweaks, like shifting a rug, nudging a lamp, or centering a media unit, make a big difference in how polished the room feels. That's it. By following these steps, you've gone from a blank canvas to a thoughtful layout you can refine and make your own. Enjoy planning and happy designing.